Now, pointers to export readiness. The readiness to go global or to export help a business to become resilient enough to overcome the challenges on the road to globalization, internationalization, or exportation. Sadly, many businesses lack such readiness, even if they are unaware of their organization. Even if they are not aware of this, there are some big business owners who think that because of their size, their organization are ready to go global. But many of them discover when they start that they have skill gap. But this is not true in many cases, as many businesses, or some business, no sooner started the journey to going global, only to be disappointed about their failure. So it affects big businesses. There is a particular business, it's a PLC, it's into the food space. They sense, at that time we had a diploma in export business management with a school in the US. They spent about 7 of their staff. But that was after they started losing money in export. But they knew that this is something they must do. Why? Because they do a lot of importation and they need forex. And they realize they can generate this forex, not relying 100% on government or on CBN. But it's a big company, it's quoted on Nigerian Stock Exchange, and they had this issue. The goal of this session is to help businesses to avoid trial and error approach to going global and show how they can get it right the first time. For business owners that are in doubt regarding firms' readiness to go global, there are signs and symptoms you will see that will let you know that, oh, I think I have issue with readiness in export. We call them the 7 Ds of lack of export readiness. 7 Ds. Number 1, delays. Delay in getting buyer, delay in shipment, not delay that happen occasionally or maybe because of COVID. I mean, incessant delays, discrepancies in documents, demurrage, debt, losses, dropping out of the business, debt of knowledge, and defective goods. You see that last one, defective goods, is the one that government always talk about. And government will set up committee. Government will set up several committee on rejection. But this, it's like there's a problem. You want to solve it, you're cutting it on the head, not going to the root. Because if the people know what to do, nobody wants to lose money now. Why would you export product that is not of good quality? You want to export product that is of good quality. If people know what to do, they will ensure they are export ready before they even start. So that when you are doing trading, you're not doing trading that cover everywhere. Or you're working, if you need coaching or you're working with someone to assist, you know exactly what you are trying to get. This is where my problem is. This is what I need to fix in order to go ahead in this business.